Hello, hammerheads. Before we go any further, listen to my cat snoring. Wait till I turn this. See that, right? I've got to keep resetting it. Needs a new circuit board. Listen to this. She's away with bloody fairies. Anyway. Bloody crazy. Totally fucking crackers. And one of these days I'm going to find out which planet I am actually living on. Hello, hammerheads. I mean, yeah, it's still there now, listen. She almost sounds like a human, bloody snoring like that. Why, she's getting old now, you know. She's getting dead old. Anyway, in case you're watching, Jan, my girlfriend, I love you to bits, right? I'll always love you. And I mean, we don't have only one thing we disagree on is politics. Because you're a Tory and I'm Labour. Well, you'll wake up one day, lass. Never mind. Having said all that, you're a brilliant person. I respect you more than you can imagine. You're just brilliant in every way, shape or form. You're Superwoman. You know, you're Wonder Woman. And no, I'm not talking about Linda Carter. Wasn't even Linda Carter who starred in the pilot. It was some blonde bimbo. And that's why they didn't keep her for it. Have you heard that cat? Shut up, man! I'm trying to fucking talk here and all you can hear is yeah, I love you to bits and I can't wait for the week after next when you spend 3 days with me. That'll be good, that. I'll do a few. We'll have to go on a bit shopping, right? Get lots of stuff. Oh, do a bit Chinese dish here and there. Italian, Mexican. Oh, Spanish. I can do anything, mate. What was that chicken casserole like I made? Alright. And your Emma actually ate it and all. Can't believe it. Ooh, she'll not eat chicken off the bone, meat off the bone. She ate that though. I'm grateful for that. Anyway, I love you to bits. Jan Bugless. Sorry, Bugless. No, I'm calling you Bugless, right? I like you to lump it. Bugless. I love you to bits. And I'm going to treat you like you've never been treated before. I'll treat you like a princess. That's what you need, you know. You're the most honest person ever. Most honest girlfriend I've ever had. So, I'm going to treat you really well. Watch your space.
Good night, hammerheads. And Jan, bugless.